Hence, the fallacies of the Western anthropologists in understanding our culture and myths. You have seen this diagram. We talked about universalization and parochialization. बट मैकी मैरियट जो है वो एक एग्जांपल देता है गोवर्धन एंड गोवर्धन एंड व्हाट इज द लॉजिक दैट जस्ट बिकॉज किशनगढ़ी इज 40 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम गोवर्धन so people instead of worshipping Govardhan they start worshipping Gobardhan. I mean relating Govardhan with Govardhan, I'll say it is atrocious. They start making a hill of the cow dung and start worshipping that. Again I repeat the logic. He said that just because Kishangarhi is 40 kilometers from Govardhan, तो अपभ्रंश हो गया उसका गोवर्धन का गोवर्धन हो गया नो सच ए रिडिकुलस लॉजिक दैट इज जस्ट बिकॉज फोनेटिक सिमिलैरिटीज आर देयर you will start relating kinship culture as a whole. You have a man Mahesh, another man is Suresh, so if they are not brothers at least they should be cousins. In China, more than 10 million people have their name Li. So all of them must be related to each other. And that is not the issue simply. He says that just because it is 40 kilometers, people make a hill of the cow dung. Cow dung becomes so precious for them ritually. The question is, where in India cow dung is not worshipped? Do we have Govardhan everywhere? And why in India only? Indonesia? Do you have? There are 7 to 8 countries where you have this kind of worship of cow dung. And then he is relating cow dung worship to Govardhan means Krishna. Bhagwan Krishna lived during Dwapar. Before that you had Treta. When Ramji got Vanvas, the Bharat, he survived on the grains that he got from cow dung, boiling it and making whatever chapati he made out of that. Means cow dung was equally precious, worshipped at that time also. How can you relate cow dung to Krishna? The issue is that if it is there in your syllabus, it is because of Rasa Vidyarthi. Rasa Vidyarthi was Guru Bhai, and both of them they were students of Robert Redfield. There is nothing wrong with the concept I have told you in the previous video. The question is about the knowledge and understanding of these people of Indian culture. Beware. Thank you.